Hey, I want to tell you about an exciting order that I've just placed with the DIY Watch Club. It's for their new 40mm vintage diver. So why am I excited about this kit? Because it is modeled around the vintage Rolex 5513 cases. DIY Watch Club have gone to great lengths and they've put some interesting features into this case, including eagle beak crown guards, drilled lug holes, a slimline profile that is only 13.3mm thick, and that includes a domed vintage looking crystal. It's got an aluminium bezel insert, a 60-click bezel, 100 meters of water resistance, and takes an NH35 movement. In addition, it's crazy affordable. At only $275, including the tools, it is incredible value. But what's more, they're offering a 30% discount right now. So you can pick it up for $195. That's mad. Use some of that savings to do what I've done and pick up the DIY Watch Club secondhand installation setting tool, which for $20 promises to solve the headache of installing a secondhand. I'm going to give it a try and see if it does all that they say on the box. So there we go. Why don't you put one in your cart? Use the code WNBI5 at checkout to get an additional 5% off of your purchase. And when it arrives, I'll do the build video and we can build it together. Cheers.